Hey guys, y'all want to talk about how you can make at least $100 a day?
Yeah, dude.
All right, sit back, relax, comment down below, let me know what you're looking forward to learning, and let's get started. Sweet! Welcome, guys. All right, my name is Brooks Conkle. I'm an entrepreneur. If we haven't met yet before, I'm excited to meet you. I think that life is one giant adventure. I think you should be trying new things that excite you, and hopefully in this video, maybe you'll learn some fresh ideas that you can start as a hustle and maybe, who knows, maybe create an entire business out of it, right? So let's get going. All right, so the first idea I want to throw at you, I'm going to combine two of the ideas that I actually wrote in the entire article that I created. You can find that in the link if you wanted to read the entire article. But let me combine a couple of the ideas. The first one is to build and flip websites, and in combination that is creating a niche website, okay, a niche blog site to generate income and revenue. If you hustle and work hard, you can start generating money fast. Now we're going to talk about ways, I'm not going to leave you without an example where you can't make $100 today, because sometimes people are like, man, I just need cash right now, right? But in this example, this is huge, and I think it's a thing that a lot of people can do. There's a lot of learning involved, but if you wanted to buy an existing website and improve it, you could do that and then turn around and sell it. So there's websites that sell, like flippa.com, where you can buy and sell websites. The niche website is, there are thousands of people that do this and generate income via either two things. So online ads, as they grow the audience of the website, how many page visits they get, they put advertising on the website, or two, through affiliate marketing offers. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is and you've never heard that before, I'll put a video here so you can check that out if you want to click off over to that, or at the end I'll try to put one as well so that you can learn more about what that is. But if you can do these things, you can easily create $100 a day. All right, my next example, you can generate cash pretty dang quickly. Maybe not the same day, but pretty fast. So if you have extra room or space, you can list it on Airbnb and rent out that room. Well, let's say you don't have any extra spare bedrooms where you live. Well, there's another website called neighbor.com, which I think is super cool. And what it does is you can act as a storage facility for people. So if you don't have an extra room, but maybe you have some attic space or a garage space, you can put your property on neighbor.com and someone can rent your extra space, not necessarily your room to stay in, but put their stuff in. And that's a way that you can generate some cash. All right, do you take photos or just love taking photographs of cool things that you find interesting? Well, you can sell those pictures to stock photography websites. So two examples would be Envato and ShotZr, and I'll put links down below to those. But you could take your photos, put them on those websites, and when people need stock photography of certain things like, oh, a bridge or a leaf of a plant or an insect or whatever, a building, you could make money, make royalties when people buy your photos from you on those websites. All right, guys, and my last one that I'm going to leave with you, again, click the link below in the description if you'd like to see the full article of all the examples, but here's the way you can make cash today, and it's my absolute favorite, but you know what? It takes the most hustle, but you can do it today. It's get free crap and sell it. Get stuff and sell it. You know what? If you get your stuff and sell it, I guarantee you, if you stop this video, pause it right now, and walk around your house, you can uncover and find things that you have not used in the last year. Take those items, sell them on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, eBay, and I bet you can generate $1,000 in cash. If you can't and you don't have these items, I get it. Go get free stuff. Craigslist has a free item list. Go find stuff on the side of the road where people are putting out an old couch, one that seems decent enough that you could at least clean it up. It's not completely broken, and you can sell it for $50, $25. It doesn't matter. You can turn around and you can sell that item and get cash, and I guarantee you can make $100 today. So, but if you want to, again, read the full article below. I'll put up some more ideas and videos here at the end of other ways that you can make cash and make some money. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I want to connect with you. So comment down below, like the video, subscribe, ask me any questions you want in the comments. That's typically where I'm going to be able to interact with you. And man, I look forward to destroying the box with you guys. Take care.